Live here in Topeka, Kansas. We're on site here at 10th and Topeka Boulevard, and we did some mold remediation, and this is a solid old building. Now the roof has been completely refurbished. It's not a new roof, but it's refurbished. Okay? Man, look at that. That right there is money. That is money. Right there. Money. We put a liquor store in there. I'm going to scrap that mother. And there's money right there for the fryer. Oh, yeah. All right. Henry McClure live here on site. 10th and Topeka Boulevard. We got about just under 6,000 feet here for lease and maybe for sale if we had a qualified 1031. Savvy? Ooh, I like that ladder. You know, I don't do ladders much anymore. They got to be a little lower to the ground. But I tell you something, if you don't know much about this neighborhood, I'm going to show you a little something, something. Check it out here. This is a brand new building. And look how nice it is, because that was spent with taxpayer money. So it's got all the accoutrements of money because the taxpayers pay for it. And what's interesting about this building, it actually is also still the HVAC system for the Capitol. The Capitol, see it just behind there, right there, yeah. And then over there, Supreme Court, Walgreens. Howdy. Hey, Mike, look down there. There's a Truvada right there. Do you see this? Oh, I'll show you since I got you online. I hope you're still online. You remember Sandy Truvada? That one down the street is called Wheat. See it? See it down yonder? Look at that. Yeah, Wheat. And see these buildings right here? My dad used to live in the first one when he divorced my mom. Actually, we had a parrot from my mom's great uncle that was an engineer on the Panama Canal. There's Topeka High. Look at, you can't make up. I look at my life as like the thread in a tapestry that is beautiful. It's a beautiful piece of work. That is called Wheat. I'm live. Well, I hope it's you, Mike, online. Who's Jenny Kiss? There you go, Jenny. These were actually two separate buildings, and then they connected them.